All right, good morning, everybody. All right, so today is the 18th, so 3/18/20. We're gonna learn about again volume, but this time we're gonna do it using a triangular prism. All right. Okay, so again, to the best of your ability, let's draw a triangular prism. So draw a triangle first, like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna go like this, bring it back, bring this one down and over. So this kind of looks like a rectangle here, and then you have a triangle. Again, this is to the best of your abilities. If you can't draw it, that's perfectly fine. Okay, so now let's look at just the triangle part. So ignore this part. We're going to just look at the triangle part. So what would you call this part of your triangle? Okay, correct. That should be the base. So let's label that B for base. And what would you call this part of your triangle? Right? That would be called your height, right? I can't use this one or this one for your height, so it's the interior part, height. Now, of the big prism now, the big triangular prism, this part we are going to call the big height. Not the height of the triangle, but the height of the whole big prism. Okay, so this is the volume of a triangular prism. Volume means how much stuff can I fit inside of a particular object, right? So how much like water, how much sand, how much of anything can you fit in this triangular prism? So we're going to need these three pieces of information to do so. Okay, so our volume of a triangular prism is basically the area of the triangle. So how do I find the area of the triangle? This would mean I would have to be, going over to the poster and showing you. So the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2, right? So that part is just the area of your base. Like, what's my base? It's a triangle. So I take the area of my triangle, okay, my basic shape, which is a triangle, and you take that and you multiply it by your big height. So the height of this. So volume for triangular prism is base times height divided by 2 multiplied by your big H. So this big H. So base times height divided by 2 times your height. So that's basically the formula, okay? So we're going to leave that problem as is. We're going to create another one. So draw another one out to the best of your ability, of course. Okay, so we're going to go, this is 8 inches, 10 inches, and 6 inches. Okay, so go ahead and draw that. Unfortunately, with the new camera that I'm using, I'm not able to zoom. I can zoom in this way. Zoom a little. Using a new camera this morning, seeing if everything works out better than yesterday. So I'll just have to be patient. All right, we should be good. Okay, so now we're just going to plug in using our formula from above. So volume equals, what's our base of our triangle? Correct, 8 times what's our height of our triangle? 6. Yes, that's a 6. Divided by 2, and then multiply by your big height. So that would be this one, times 10. Okay, so we're going to plug in all our numbers. So 8 times 6 is 48 divided by 2 times 10. You can take a shortcut if you want. Volume equals, so 48 divided by 2 is 24 times 10. Volume is equal to 24 times 10 is 240 inches cubed. Remember, it has to be cubed. So again, you do the area of the triangle and then multiply it by your height, and that will give you volume of a triangular prism. All right. So let's do another problem. Okay. Let's do a right triangle. We'll start off with the right triangle. Why is this a right triangle? I have a 90-degree angle right there, and I'm going to make it 3D. Drop this down. Wondering if you can hear Rocky in the background. He's snoring. It's a little early for him. So this is going to be 4 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 20 centimeters. And copy that down. Okay, so we're going to use formula. Volume equals base times height divided by 2 multiplied by your big height. So we're going to, what's the base of the triangle? Base of the triangle is 9. So 9 times 4 divided by 2 times your big height, which is 20. 9 times 4 is 36 divided by 2 times 20. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So 18 times 20. So 18 times 20. So if you want to go over here, multiply it out. There. $18 times 20 would be volume is equal to 360. When we look at our units, it's centimeters, and we have to cube it. So our volume is equal to 360 centimeters cube. Okay. If the audio works on this one, I'm going to try to record the lesson from yesterday. I know it was a little choppy. The good news is yesterday's was the easiest one because it was rectangular. But sorry for all the choppiness. So we'll re-record, if not today, tomorrow, or later on today. Don't worry. Okay, time for some practice problems. So number 1, draw a triangle. Six centimeters, 5 centimeters, go 11 centimeters. Number 2, 100 degrees. And we'll go 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and we'll do 12 centimeters here. Okay. Give you guys one more, since I know you love doing this math work at home. Right? Okay. Let's do another 9 degrees. And go. Now I'm going to say that your base equals, let's do another 6 centimeters. Okay. Your height of your triangle is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay. I'm going to say that this is going to be 9 centimeters. And so this is your big height. Okay. So that's going to be what is the volume. But you know what? As an extra little challenge, see if you're willing to accept the challenge, see if you can do also the surface area of this number 3. Now to do surface area, remember you need the 3 rectangles and then the 2 triangles. And in order for you to do this, you need the ones in red for volume. But for this one, you're also going to need this measurement right here. So we're going to say that this is 10 centimeters. Geez, seems like all centimeters. It's fine. No big deal. So if you're willing to accept the challenge, go ahead and try to do surface area. Here's my second triangle. We're trying our best during the situation, so see how much you can do. Don't stress out about it if you can't do it. If you want to go online and watch another video that's not done by me, you can always Google search volume of a triangular prism. There's a million videos out there. You can also look at my YouTube channel and look up volume of triangular prism from like last year, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. There's a lot of videos out there for you. Again, just see if you can understand it. So what I'm asking you to do is to do these in your notebooks. Wait a minute. Let me go back. You did copy these notes in your notebook, right? I know. Why am I asking? Of course you did. So copy these notes and then do these in your notebook. Take a picture of it, upload it. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, you'll hear my voice at least. All right. Don't forget, reach out if you need anything. All right.